we have to now integrals if the question is in the form of e raised to power ax cos bx dx and e raised to power ax sin bx dx. Directly you should be knowing what the result is. Okay, so we are having integrals of the form. Now let's evaluate the first form. Now we are having e raised to power ax cos bx dx. Now here we are going to take this as a first and this as a second function. Okay, we are not going with the technique now. Integrating by parts, e raised to power ax first function, integration of cos bx dx minus integration derivative of the first function, integration of cos bx dx. Okay. Now this becomes e raised to power ax upon b with sin bx. Integration of cos bx is sin bx upon b minus integration of a e raised to power ax sin bx upon b with dx. Okay, and this now becomes e raised to power ax upon b sin bx minus a upon b integration of e raised to power ax sin bx dx. Now taking this as first and this as second once again. Okay, so we are having e raised to power ax upon b sin bx minus a upon b. Now here again e raised to power ax integration of sin bx dx minus integration d by dx of e raised to power ax integration of sin bx dx and dx. Now what we are getting e raised to power ax upon b sin bx minus a upon b e raised to power ax minus cos bx upon b. This is negative with this part, negative with this one, positive, a upon b integration of a e raised to power ax minus cos bx upon b dx. Now we are having e raised to power ax upon b sin bx plus a upon b square e raised to power ax cos bx minus a square upon b square with I plus c. Just check it. What we are having? Okay, let me write it. A square b square integration of e raised to power ax cos bx dx. So need not to be confused because now this is what, this is the question. Okay, so now what we are having? We are having e raised to power ax common from these two upon b square. It is b sin bx plus a cos bx minus a square upon b square I plus c. Is it clear? Now this becomes 1 plus a square upon b square is equal to e raised to power ax upon b square b sin bx plus a cos bx plus c. B square plus a square upon b square b sin bx plus a cos bx plus c upon b square. Now this b square and this b square cancels, so we are left with what? E raised to power ax upon a square plus b square with b sin bx plus a cos bx. Okay, like this we have to move it.